Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be analyzing GBPUSD with you guys. So currently I'm on the daily time frame, and I personally love to start analyzing with the daily time frame because I'm looking for like the overall direction. I'm not just looking for the direction of the 5 minute what's going on. I'm looking for the whole direction, like what's the actual direction this pair where it is going. And on the daily time frame we can all see that the market has been uptrending. If I try to do those trend lines there, and then all of a sudden, let me draw this trend line first. And then the market has been uptrending, and then all of a sudden it broke that, and then it came back to retest and then went down. So this shows us that market is no longer in an uptrend. It broke this key area. Let me draw it. It broke this key area right there. Yes, it broke that area, leaving what we call a break of structure. So after breaking that area, what did the market do? It went down and then came back for a retest, like we do know that, and then came all the way down again, coming to break another structure again. So those signs on their own shows us that now the market indeed really is now in a downtrend. So when it comes to targeting, we would say we should be looking for old lows which have occurred before in the market. Like when I come all the way down here, you can see we have this low right there, and then we have that low right there. So this low, that low, that is the low that I want us to be targeting first. So that is the first target. So as we can all see, another thing that we have again here is that we have that red line over there. I believe we all see that red line. So that red line, that is the weekly candlestick open, where the weekly candlestick opened, and then from there it shut up before it shut down. I'm not really sure, but I think it shut down before it shut up. So the reason why I plotted it is because I want to be selling, because I'm looking for sales, right? Targeting that old low right there. So what I'm looking to do, I want to be buying. I want to be selling above the weekly market open. Why? Because I don't want to be caught up into the manipulation phase. Here's how the manipulation phase occurs. AMD, there's always that accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase. These are the three market behaviors that occur, right? So when you want to be buying, for now you want to be selling, right? When we want to be buying, then I want to be buying below market open. But now I want to be selling, and I want to be selling where? Above market open. And currently we can see that currently right now the market is above market open. So I want to be going down into my smaller time frames, and in my smaller time frames I should be looking, or I should be finding that there might be some sort of a reversal pattern, like a head and shoulder, or a double top, whatever pattern that may change direction for now the for the market to now continue to sell, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and see if we are going to find anything which will compel us to be selling or to be bearish. And then this, wait a minute. And then this is the 1 hour time frame. We can see our weekly open. Where's the weekly open? The weekly open is probably with that blue candlestick right there. So yeah, that is the weekly open. And 1 hour time frame, what do we have? We can see that the market has been in an uptrend. The market has been uptrending. We can plot those trend lines, and then we can see that from here market went down, broke the trend line, and then came for a retest, then kind of like came down again. So one thing that we should understand again is that we can see that the market did come all the way back to this high, like it came all the way here, but by coming to that high it created what we call a double top. This is the first top, second top, and then this is going to be our neckline. Yeah, it's a reversal pattern, right? It changes market, and in this case it's going to be changing the direction of the market from buying to selling. So now that we know that, okay, we have sorry for that, we have a confirmation that, okay, now we can start selling. Where exactly do we want to be selling, right? We can see that, okay, we have an order block right there. I'm putting that order block. Is it a high quality order block? It's not a high quality order block because, let me see, not a high quality order block. But then let me go into the 15 minutes time frame to see if there's any key area that we might be looking to violate before we can go down. Because if an order block is not a high quality order block, you shouldn't consider it that much. Because if something is low quality, why would you consider it? But one thing about the market, you can never really be, you can never really be too sure because here is a very, very important thing about low quality order blocks. Even though it's a low quality order block, it doesn't mean that the market cannot necessarily come back to it. So it's possible for the market to go up and take out that order block. And then the 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame, see what it has for us in store. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and the order block that I had set as an hour, we can see there is a range of order blocks there. Let me take it out first, then I properly plot it. So this, in this case, this would be the last bullish candlestick before the sudden down movement, making this an order block. And all these candlesticks, let me try. No, let me take it off. And all these candlestick wicks that keep touching this order block, they are the ones that make it a low quality order block. So it's just giving us confirmation that we had on the 1 hour, because on the 1 hour we did mention that it was a low quality order block, and the 15 minute it's still showing that it's a low quality order block. And then again, another thing, we have another order block here, which is clearly visible, even though it's not. Is it not? Is it? It's a low quality order block because of this blue candlestick. It almost touched the order block. I don't know if it touched it or not, because we can never like 100% plot the order blocks the way we want to, right? So the market didn't touch the key area, but what I can see is that the market broke the structure right here. It broke that structure, not the break of structure, going up, and then I believe coming down like this. This is some sort of a retest, and it's probably gonna go back up once it reaches this breaker block right here, somewhere here. And then if it goes up, it might just go all the way to this order block here. It might just go back to this order block right here, and then that's when it goes down, or it might be going to that order block right there, and then that's when it can go down. So we are gonna have to just monitor this pair. Let me put on my sessions. Oh, okay. The London session just opened. I think, where's the London session open? Yeah, that is where the London session opened, and ever since it opened, the market has been going down. You can see that the market is going down. We'll have to see if market goes all the way to take out that Tokyo low below, or will it go up with the Tokyo session up until 11 a.m., whereby Tokyo session will be closing, and then from there, that is when we can get the Atmos decision. But just know that we are going to be looking for bearish signals or bearish entries. Thank you, Tim.